measuring skills can sometimes feel impossible. Technology changes fast. On-paper credentials fall short. Tests are outdated, static, and long. But this isn't a test. This is PluralSite IQ, your trusted source to prove what you know when it really counts. Here's how it works. PluralSite IQ gives you an accurate measurement and validation of your skills in 5 minutes or less. Through short, free assessments with questions that adapt with each answer, you'll be able to see how your knowledge compares to your peers. Nice. Whether you're trying to expand your skills, become the team expert, or do something you've never done before, PluralSite IQ can help. Because the more you know about what you know, the faster you'll get there.